The premise of multiplication in standard form is the fact that you can multiply in any order you like. So we're going to take the integers, or the number part, and have them as a multiplication, and take the power of 10 part and have them as a separate multiplication. 3 multiplied by 6 we know is 18, and then by the laws of indices, when we're multiplying we're going to add, so 5 add 2 makes 7. Now this number isn't in standard form because my initial number isn't between 1 and 10, so I need to divide it by 10 to make it 1.8, that is between 1 and 10. Then because I've divided this number by 10, I've got to compensate, sorry I put equals and I should multiply. We've got to multiply this number by 10. So 7 to the 10 multiplied by another 10 is 10 to the power 8. Division is similar but not quite the same. We've got to be very careful with how we write this. So again, we can employ the number parts first, so 2.4 divided by 8, but they're still multiplied by the 10 to the powers, so 10 to the 3 divided by 10 to the negative 2. So we've gone from having 2 multiplication signs and a division to having 2 division signs and a multiplication. 2.4 divided by 8 is 0.3, and by the laws of indices, division means subtract. 3 subtract negative 2 is positive 5. Then we've got the same situation we had in the previous example, that this is not in standard form because this number is less than 1. So we're going to multiply it by 10 so it satisfies the right criteria. 3 is between 1 and 10, which means we need to divide this side by 10. 10 to the 5 divided by 10 is 10 to the power 4. So there's our answer.